Here is a reality check nobody wants to give you. AI is not coming for your job someday. For millions of people, it is already here. But here is what the headlines always get wrong. For every role AI eliminates, it is creating a new one that pays better and requires more judgment. Today, we break down which jobs are on the way out, which new roles are opening up, and how you position yourself on the right side of this shift. Point 1. Data entry and document processing. If your job involves moving information from one place to another, invoices, forms, reports, that work is being absorbed by AI pipelines right now. Tools like Claude, GPT-4o, and specialized OCR platforms can process thousands of documents per hour with near-perfect accuracy. The humans who used to do this work are being let go. This is not a prediction. It is Q2 2026. Point 2. Tier 1 customer support. Scripted responses, FAQ handling, order status updates, basic troubleshooting. AI chatbots handle this better than most humans at a fraction of the cost around the clock. Major SaaS companies slashed their support headcount by 40 to 60% over the last 18 months. The entry-level support job as a career starting point is disappearing fast. Point 3. Junior copywriting and content mills. If you were grinding out SEO articles at 0.003 a word, that market is gone. AI generates clean, SEO-optimized drafts in seconds. Agencies that used to employ 20 writers now employ 3, and those 3 are editors and strategists, not producers. Point 4. Routine financial analysis. Pulling reports, building dashboards, summarizing quarterly data. AI does this in minutes. Junior analysts who spent 80% of their time on data prep are being replaced by a prompt and a script. Point 5. Generic graphic design for templates and social posts. Canva AI, Midjourney, and Adobe Firefly produce on-brand visuals at scale. Businesses no longer need a designer on retainer for routine content production. Now here is the flip side. The jobs AI is actually creating. AI prompt engineers and workflow architects. Companies need people who can design the inputs, outputs, and quality controls for AI systems. This is a real job category with real salaries north of $100,000. AI output auditors and quality controllers. Every AI-generated asset, legal doc, medical summary, financial report, needs a human sign-off. The demand for people who can review AI work at speed is exploding. AI tool trainers and implementation specialists. Every business adopting AI needs someone to set it up, tune it, and teach the rest of the team. This is a consulting opportunity with low supply and high demand. Right now, AI augmented creative directors. The humans who thrive are the ones directing AI like a production team, writing the brief, curating the output, applying taste and judgment. Senior creative work is surging in value while junior production work collapses. AI native content operators, people who run automated content channels, newsletters, and media businesses using AI pipelines. Exactly what this channel is. Build the system once, scale it indefinitely. Here is the meta insight. AI does not replace skills. It replaces tasks. If your job is a collection of repeatable tasks, you are exposed. If your job involves judgment, taste, relationships, and creative direction, you are in a stronger position than you were 2 years ago. Because AI handles the grunt work, and you get to focus on the parts that actually matter. The window to reposition is open right now. It will not stay open forever. The people who learn to direct AI instead of compete with it are building leverage that compounds every year. If you want to stay ahead of this, what is actually changing, which tools matter, and how to use them, subscribe. We cover this every week with no hype and no filler.